In the year 1701, deep within the walls of Edo Castle, a proud samurai lord named Asano Naganori was publicly humiliated by a corrupt shogunate official, Kira Yoshinaka. Kira had demanded bribes. Asano refused. Day after day, the insults escalated, until one day, Asano snapped. He drew his short blade and attacked Kira. The wound was slight, but the act unforgivable. For drawing a weapon in the shogun's castle, Asano was ordered to commit seppuku, the ritual suicide of samurai. His family was stripped of honor. His loyal warriors were left masterless Ronin. But these Ronin didn't vanish. They vowed revenge. Led by Ōishi Yoshio, 47 of Asano's samurai scattered. Some pretended to be drunkards, others became merchants. They waited for nearly 2 years, watching, planning, fooling Kira into believing they had given up. Then, on a snowy December night in 1702, they struck. Under moonlight, they invaded Kira's mansion. Silently, swiftly, they fought their way through his guards. They found Kira hiding, offered him the chance to die with honor. He refused, so they executed him. They carried his head through Edo and placed it at Asano's grave at Sengakuji Temple. Then they waited. The shogunate was torn. They had broken the law but upheld the code of Bushidō. Their punishment? Death by seppuku. One by one, they died with honor, not in disgrace. Today, they are legends. Their graves are still honored, their story still told. Because in the heart of Japan, they proved one thing: honor is eternal.